Hey guys, Juan, Papillion, Asian Smiley. Good morning, guys. I will be right back. I hope you guys can hear me. But I'm gonna be right back. So I'm just gonna throw this on, I guess. I hope this isn't too loud. Um. Mm-mm. Okay. Actually, I'll check that. All right. Cool. All right. I'll be right back. Whew. All right. Oh. Wow, AM doo-doo. AM doo-doo. No, I'm not in any positions right now. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, Undivine. Jack Dan. Good morning, Golden Dragon. CJ. Yeah, guys, I've probably been getting like 1 or 2 hours of sleep for the past few days. Very, very excited for what's to come very soon. But I don't want to miss a stream because of sleep. Silly. So what I'm currently looking at is AMD. I really want to get into AMD August calls. I really want to get into AMD August calls because maybe AMD July 28th. I just grabbed light. AMD July 28th 109 calls. July 28th 109 calls. 15-20% stop loss. I'm just gonna swing this and just not really think about it. Now is not the time to start going extremely short on the market. We already took a. We'll look what happens in terms of day trading, but yeah. Let's see. I feel like the AMD trade is worth taking, regardless. Should be fine. Cool. All right. Let's see. Yes, harmful, exactly. Berserk. I just sold my 436 puts from yesterday's high day at market open for 412 profit. Nice, man. Good stuff. Alright, we're trading the 0 DTE options on the SPY. We're trading the contracts that expire June 23rd. Wow, contracts are losing a lot of value with small moves. I'm taking light 434 calls with a 433 stop. Should be around like a 10% stop loss basically. This is up 12% for me. I'm not gonna let this fall back below 59. If this is a fake up to the upside, I'm just not gonna let it drop down below 59 cents. And then if it falls down lower, we'll re-enter, but don't want to get caught to the upside holding something that's just a fake. But once again, get into the habit of taking some sort of profit at 10%. Let's see if this continues up. Make sure you guys take some sort of profit and just have a stop loss below 60 cents, 59 cents. This is profitable so far. Just solidify some sort of profit. We just closed above VWAP. If this drops below 59, I'm selling. Once again, everyone should be up at least around 7 or 8%. This is a good time to take some sort of profit if you haven't already. Again, like 10%, 12%. So if you have not taken profit already, take some profit. Let the runners ride. Let this remain in profit. Take some profit, please. I'm out. Alright. AMD is also bouncing pretty well. Whoever bought AMD calls with a closer expiration date, you guys are very happy. This is a really freaking this is, oh my gosh. So if I wasn't streaming right now, I would go long right now. I would go long. This would be a very, very risky trade, and I would have a stop loss right around 433 because this is like a perfect opportunity for them to rip it up. Shit. That move would have been a solid little scalp. And the reason why I would have entered that is because they were holding this level of support really, really well. But then they were holding this level of support really, really well. And they made a very, very big red candle at a level of support. So they freaking, god damn it, they forced people to really go short. And it would have been a risky play. I would have had a 433 stop loss, but yeah, stuff like this, it takes some time to look at and to see what you're doing, but having a trading journal really, really helps because you're able to document, oh, the last time this happened, it worked out, blah, 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 blah. So that's why I would really recommend you guys do that so you guys can see what I'm also looking at. Yeah. But yeah, I didn't want to, I hope you guys understand why that was the case. User comments. Mike Italiano, nice. Golden already up on AMD, good stuff. Mango, bang bang bang. Mango, what's up? Hey, how are you? Yeah, so. Juan Carlos, there's 2 supply zones right above. Dodgen, good morning. Valo, yo, are you Persian? No, I'm Pakistani. I want to take a ancestry test to see how that is. But yeah, right now the market is choppy. That move, that like setup that I was just talking about, was not like a, it was literally just meant for like a quick scalp that you would do on your own. There's stuff like that doesn't really have follow through. So far today we haven't really seen that much follow through at all with the market. Things have been pretty choppy. So just, you know, we're in a good spot. AMD is up. We had a nice little scalp on the SPY, you know, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Yeah, so the IWM is the biggest leader, because the the IWM is holding the SPY up. It's got support at 182. The NASDAQ has support at 361.30. Yeah, just wait. Like, just be patient, guys. Just be patient. There's days where we take 10, 15 different trades. There's other days that it just pays to be more patient, guys. The market is not going anywhere. You know, we could just hang out and chill together. We're all just, you guys are doing your own thing at the moment as you're watching. You just hang out, have some breakfast. Yeah, man. Thoughts on Tesla? Yeah, 252 needs to hold. 250 and 252 needs to hold on Tesla. But yeah. Tapping on a new high of day on the SPY. How's GameStop doing? Gamey. This is definitely not where I would want to go long, obviously, because we're at a level of resistance. This is literally little Mikey territory. Little Mikey is like, oh my gosh. Little Mikey is waiting for a break of high of day to go long. All right. Even if it works out for him, it doesn't work out for him in the long run to do stuff like this. So he's like, oh man, we gotta wait for a break to go long, or he's going long here. So yeah, man, there's just don't do it. Just don't do it. You just wait. Even if it works out for him. I hope it does, honestly. He's been through a lot. Like the least that could happen is at least keep him in the game a little bit, you know, but I hope it works out for him. But this is not a goddamn. Wow. Goddamn, why did they do that to little Mikey? Little Mikey. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy mamma mia. Oh my god. If this, oh my god. Can you imagine? Can you imagine going long up here and then waiting for it to break up and going long only for it to wick? Oh my god. Holy cow. Yeah, man. That's why I was saying this is little Miguelcito. This is little Mikey territory, so just be patient. It could definitely push up a bit more, but it needs to come back to levels of support. It sort of did that. It's not yet perfectly at a level of support, but we have fell very dramatically. So it's like I am more leaning long and more bullish than I would be short. But definitely I don't want to be long at levels of resistance. That's the main thing. Lots of choppiness so far. It's 10:07 already. We can see that there isn't that much follow through. There is not that much follow through. All these moves. The SPY has literally been trading in like $1 range. Since the morning, it's been trading in $1 range. So this is a better. No, I mean, this is like a better time to go long with like a really like tight stop loss. If it breaks below like 433.50, you're invalidated. But at least now we had like that move downward and like the fake down, so you could go long here. But yeah, with like a really tight invalidation. But even then, I'm still not really. Yeah. SB. I had calls and got damn. Nah, I mean, you don't suck. You just had a bad trade. Not every trade you're gonna win. You don't say you suck. Little Mikey is down 50%. They crushed the kid. YouTube has 5-second delay. All of them have 5-second delay. Are you guys sure? YouTube should have 3-second delay. Maybe maybe I'll change the quality, refresh the page. Yeah, so they basically waited for Lil Mikey to sell his longs and then start leaning short, and then that's when they ripped it up. So now Little Mikey at this point, he's like very dizzy with the market, and he's very close. If he hasn't already signed off for the day, he's very close to signing off, because every time he wants to do something, they paint the opposite picture. He takes the opposite direction, and then what he wants to happen ends up happening a few minutes afterward. So he's it's a tough little situation here for him. Joey, good morning, bro. Lil Mikey is on his third joint, and it's not even 10:30. Yeah, man. I don't know if he's gonna even have money for a fourth. He's probably lost a lot of it already, but it's tough. This is tough, honestly. Prayers for Lil Mikey, man. This is I hope it works out for him. I really, really hope it works out for him. This is devastating. This is absolutely devastating. Can we get some prayers for Lil Mikey in the chat? Drop some peas for Lil Mikey in the chat, please. I really, really hope this works out for him, man. Peas for Lil Mikey in the chat, please. Shoot. Yeah, peas for prayers for Lil Mikey, man, because he's just he needs our prayers, man. He's getting absolutely just whiplashed by the market today, and it's tough to watch. When are you taking profits on AMD? I want this to at least go up a bit higher before we, you know, start taking profits. Obviously, I mean, we caught the bottom of the day on AMD, so you know what I'm saying. The contracts are up at least, like, depending on when you got them, but I mean, just look at this beauty. Look at this beauty over here. Look at this beauty. We went long literally right here. Sexy. But yeah, that's why I wasn't really too worried with day trading or anything like that, because I knew AMD was like a really, really sexy opportunity. But nice, safe, beautiful opportunity. So depending on when you got it. You guys could definitely take profits. I mean, it's up. It's up pretty nicely. You guys probably got a better price than I did, but yeah, regardless. Whoever got shorter term AMD calls, you guys are banking. So good stuff. But yeah, regardless, I mean, I'm holding this. We have some time. We could take some profits. Make sure, I mean, look, again, like, you understand that I like to take profits at 10% and then I leave runners. But if you only have one contract, this is a good point. This is a, oh yeah, you know what, actually I should mention that. Yeah, if you have one contract, this is a good point to take some profit on AMD. We got a nice little 10-12% bounce on a nice, like, safe longer term contract, so it's a good point. Oh man, it has major resistance. AMD has major resistance at 110.26. 110.26 is major resistance on AMD. 110.26. It's right at it. Now is not an opportunity. Now is not the point to start shorting on SPY. It's let's get some fluidity in the SPY, man. Let us get some fluidity in the SPY, man. Yeah, everyone that tried to short that. Ay ay ay. Ay ay ay. Oof. I know for a fact. Actually, I don't even think Lil Mikey would have taken that. Maybe. Maybe. Actually, oh my god, yeah. Honestly, I think he would have taken that. Honestly, I think he did. It's unfortunate. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for the P's for Lil Mikey, man. I know that he's, you know, I hope it works out for him, man. Perk. Do you think we'll recover on SPY today? We should see at least 434.50. But that is also dependent on the tech, but 434.50 should be on the table on yeah, on the SPY. I'd be surprised if not, because they want a higher price to go short, and right now being heavily short at this point, at this low, it doesn't make sense. If you're a bear, right, you want a better risk reward for your shorts, and you'll get a better risk reward at a higher price. So they're gonna try to drive the price up. That's why I got into AMD calls. That's why I wasn't really, normally I would just try to short everything, but I haven't done any of that. So yeah, the only trade that we took were longs. Nice, man. Chad, Sajin, Ryan, Asub, Chris, Strat, Indie Scripter, man. Space Silver, Buster, yeah, man. Appreciate you guys for the P's, man. Get at 'em. Get at me, the better. Golden Dragon. Damn. Okay. Lil Mikey gets frustrated and makes more bad decisions, and another retailer gets hosed. Yeah, man. Think it will hit 111 today. It all depends on that 110.26 level. I think that's what I said. 110.26. Yeah, it all depends on that. If it can break above that, then it can melt up to a 111.40. But yeah, Amazon looking like it's about to test high of day. Yeah, Amazon is one of the only winners right now. Yeah. But once again, yeah, over here, I don't know when I don't know how many minutes ago you sent that message, but over here, it's risky. Immediately right now, it's risky to try to go long Amazon. You would rather wait for it to come down to like 130, 129.80 before going long. You want to basically just try to long on pullbacks and at support. I would not really want to try to go long the SPY or the NASDAQ or the IWM right now. Like when they have like very bullish moves, I don't want to go long. I would rather go long on pullbacks. Jenny 112. Damn, if that happens, there's gonna be a lot of happy people. SPY new high of day. We have resistance at 434. What AMD calls did you wait a second? Sorry. Thank you, God bless you. Sold my AMD. Nice, man. Heartful. Good stuff. Congrats, brother. Junaid. So if you have two contracts, you would sell one at 10% and let the other one ride? Yep, exactly. The whole point about trading is taking base hits. And then eventually, your base hits grow over time, you know? So then if you're comfortably holding two contracts, eventually after multiple base hits, your account is going to grow. And then you'll comfortably be able to hold 5 contracts. And then it'll grow and grow and grow. Just think about it in terms of long term. Don't try to make like thousands of dollars a day automatically. Focus on making high quality trades, and then think about what will happen when your account grows. And just keep that in mind. Think about the long term. Have a good weekend. Nice, man. Yeah, you too. Indy, it's gonna rip down to VWAP soon and maybe to a lower support, then we'll rip right back up. Patience looking for a call scalp to enter. Yep. I believe so. Mike, they will keep this below 435. Yeah, I mean so far, I mean, so look, so far on the daily, they've been keeping this very, very weak. They've been keeping this very, very weak. So this is what I thought should have happened, right? This is what would have been like the best shorting opportunity for them to have done. So yesterday we closed on this big green candle here, right? It would have been the best opportunity for them to bring it back up to 437, 438, maybe have an impulsive move back up to 438, 439, and then short it at one of these two levels. But as you can see, that the market has just been way too weak for them to even bring it here. So another thing is looking at it from the Fibonacci levels standpoint, right? From the most recent highs to yesterday's low. We only broke above, I hope you guys can see this, we only broke above the 28.2%, 23.6% fib. So from bouncing here and then dropping into a new low, that is stupid weakness. But because that is extremely stupid weakness, this is little Mikey territory to go short. Okay, so generally, right, I just showed what should have happened in terms of the market. We should have bounced here or bounced here and then went short. But the fact that we just continued to just deflate and fall lower, once we fell even lower, this is when people would want to really short, because they would be like, wow, the market is super weak. But this is the perfect opportunity for them to rip it up. Does that make sense? Don't get trapped or enticed by what they're trying to do. They try to manipulate people into taking bad trades. I hope this made sense. So in a way, everything is opposite. So not always, but only at like extremes. Only when things look extremely, extremely strong or extremely, extremely weak. Usually that's when the opposite happens and stuff. I hope that makes sense. Mike, if that could be fine if you grab further out. Yeah. I mean, yeah, of course, everything would be fine. Getting further out, 100%. But we're yeah, we try to catch every small move, so we don't really have the luxury to constantly take further out. But yeah, no, definitely you could have gotten them further out, 100%. Mango, speaking facts right now. Thank you, man. You see, I'm gonna just go sell lemonade on the corner. That's alrighty. Do you, my brother? Oh, brother, CH, you got the 0 DTE on AMD. You're up 80%. Nice. Nice. Joshua, what AMD calls did you grab? We bought the July 28th 109 calls down at 108.50. Ryan, hi Hamid. One of the members in Discord, but I can't look at your signal, or is there a problem? I'm not sure. Just send me a DM. I'm not sure why that would have happened. Just, yeah, send me a DM. Ball just joined in. Am I late to a trade for the day? So we're currently just swinging AMD calls. We got them at 6.1. We got July 28th 109 calls. But in terms of day trading on the SPY, I don't know where. Yeah, see, for Amazon, if you like, you can't go long at, you cannot go long when there's like at levels of resistance, when things look bullish. At like a resistance right at high of day, like it's not a good time to have gone long, you know? That's why they just made people very like, we were talking about Amazon not going long up here, and then they just, yeah. Ooh. IV is too high. Actually, I really want to take light Amazon calls over here, but I would rather. I mean, damn, bro, this would. Wow, contracts are jumping. Shit, that's crazy. This would have been a goddamn. This would have been already a freaking almost 20% play had we had just gone long Amazon. Crazy. That's crazy. Like a small little move like this was 20%. That's oh, that's funny. Okay. We just have to wait. There's it would have made way more sense to go long Amazon than it does right now to go long on the SPY. But they're both holding a bit bullish, but Amazon looked way more bearish. So that's why I would be way more comfortable going long Amazon currently than I would have felt comfortable going long on the SPY. Do you use the perk? Do you use the 1 minute for confirmation? For example, confirming if we break above 110.26. Amazon would have been up 50%. Holy crap. That sucks. Had we called long Amazon, would have been up. Damn, over 50%. Shoot. Scooby-Doo, pop, pop. Yeah, oh, that sucks. Anyway. Use the 1 minute for confirmation. No, I just... So I only look at the 1 minute. But I use the larger term time frames as confirmation. So first I look at the daily. I look at how the larger term time frames, the overall momentum of the day is. And then based off that I get a bias for my 1 minute time frame scalps. I still think this push is close to 435, then drops. Yeah. The obvious answer, like the obvious level that it should go to is 434.50. Usually 430 SPY or 435 SPY on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Did you guys make money this week? Are you guys profitable for the week? Can you guys like put ones in the chat if you guys are profitable for the week? We had a really, really good week. I just want to know how everyone did. Like, put some ones in the chat if you guys are up money for the week. Treat it. Yeah, slow day today, but yeah. Ones in the chat if you guys made money for today or for this week. I really think AMD should be good. That AMD call, I'd be very, very surprised if it goes back down to 108.50. But, you know, regardless, don't let it go red. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Some unos. Good stuff. Lots of unos. Nice, nice, nice. No, we're not in anything. We inputs? No, we're not. Demand them. CLM? Nope, because I'm an idiot. No, you're... That's... Don't talk like that to yourself, my brother. Mango, damn, I've never seen the market form a ball before. Yeah, the market looks like a rolled up piece of paper, to be honest. Like, it's just, like, look at this garbage. Little Mikey is definitely done trading for today. Like, as soon as there was a bullish move, he went long and then it turned bearish. Poor guy. Yeah, that's crazy. AMD resistance was at 120.26, then it dropped. Exactly at 120.20. Yep. Vinny on Divine ones. Hey Berserk, what would you call these lines on what they're doing side by side? What would you call these lines on what they're doing side by side? I don't understand your question. Can you just explain that bit? I'm not sure what you mean. Hey Berserk, I don't know what you mean. Mikey one's nice. Mickey, Edge the boss. So you expect price action next week to the upside? No, I think we should see somewhere below 433, 430-ish area. Maybe, honestly, but yeah. As we get down here, look, the main reason why I'm not extremely bearish is purely because we did not get any major retests to levels of resistance. We didn't get any major retests of levels of resistance. We had a big green day yesterday, right? We were supposed to continue up. That would have been a safer... So look, if we came back and retested 438, 439 area, that would have given us way more room to fall lower. But since today we just dropped lower without retesting other areas of resistance, in my opinion, that automatically just lowered the chances of us falling more dramatically. Okay? That's my point. So had we had retested up here, then if we retested to 437, 438, then heading into next week, we could have easily broke below 430. But because today, after that, we just came and we never retested levels of resistance and we just fell, that sort of capped our downside potential, in my opinion. I hope that made sense. I hope this makes sense. Also, if you guys are watching on the YouTube stream, make sure to like If you guys are in TikTok, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I go in depth every day about the market and all of this stuff. But yeah, go ahead and here's this. 1 second, let me just share it in the TikTok chat. Let's go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube there. There's still a lot of people that watch on TikTok or Twitch, so I guess as long as the stream delay doesn't, the stream delay should be like 3 to 5. It should not be more than 5 seconds. I got it down on YouTube to 3 seconds, but yeah, I don't know. Interesting stuff. I just don't want the stream quality to be compromised by streaming on multiple things. That one day we were only streaming on YouTube, there was literally like I think a 2-second or 3-second delay. But yeah, we'll see. Damn. It's a cardboard pattern. Sim, I swear to God, market just does the opposite of whatever position I take just to spite me. It's, look, man, like you have to realize that you have to zoom out and realize that first of all, whatever trades that you take, you should document them in a trading journal. Give your reasoning in detail why you took the trades, and then give your reasoning in detail why you exited the trades. You have to have a trading journal, or else you're just going to be whiplashed back and forth, and you're not going to have any roadmap. You're not going to have any direction. So you need to know exactly what you're doing wrong, first and foremost, so that you can fix it. So do that, and then it'll help. Otherwise, like, please just have a trading journal, man. Just have a trading journal. Especially if you're getting faked out with these moves, you need to document them so you know what's happening. Mango, I hate to say it, but you might have a little you might have a little Mikey in you. Connor, market doesn't care about how you feeling. That's Sim. Sim, I swear I'm Mikey's brother. No, man. You're definitely not. Maybe. No, I'm just... Oh. Feels that way for everyone. Gotta learn that market genuinely doesn't care about you. Think, learn, trade like a robot with no emotions. I'm still doing this myself. Yeah, man. 100%. Takes time to get there, but anyone can do it with time. Woody, I am him. Hey, Woody. You just have to train the Mikey out of you. Yeah, basically, you just have to. Yeah, you just have to train the Mikey out of you. Actually, 50 any now on the account. Great week, paid myself. Good stuff, Randy. Been too tired to play this week. Midnight in my time zone now. Damn, indeed. Nah, it's good, man. This was it was a pretty good week, to be honest. But just today and yesterday we played a bit slower. Had we had gotten that Amazon like grenade, if yeah, man, if we looked at, should have just taken it. Yeah. There's certain trades that I take that I'm just not comfortable sharing. That's another thing that I gotten way better with that, obviously, but yeah. That Amazon trade, I would have taken it. But yeah, all good. All good, man. It's good problems to have. It's not like we're losing money. It's just we're not. Rackland and blinding. Yeah, you guys were right about that. This looked like a diamond formation, basically. A falling wedge, descending wedge. Yeah, 100%. It was consolidating, big move. You're absolutely right. Google 122 call. Ooh. Nice. That definitely worked as well, I think. Should have worked. Good stuff. Digital Life Gaming. Good stuff. Joshua. Yeah, consolidation is trading within a range. If intraday we see 434.5 or 435, can we think of a short up there? Yeah. Actually, I mean, honestly, like, I would rather it go to 436 before shorting, but yeah, if it gets to 434 or 435, if it gets to 434.50, 435-ish area, a little higher than that, you would go short with like a 10-15% stop loss. But as we get closer to 430, if we break to like 430 to 431-ish area on the SPY, I would start looking to go long instead of shorting. I'm bullish closer to 430, and I'm bearish closer to 436, basically. Wow, little Mikey must have went short. Thoughts on Musk versus Zuckerberg cage fight? Is that one of the reasons Tesla rallied yesterday? No. Tesla was already rallying. If anything, the stock would have fallen because he would have lost to Zuckerberg in a fight, but yeah, like if it stays above the 50% of that bullish candle, I'm getting calls. Sorry, ASP, is this a good spot to get into AMD longs? No, I mean, I'm not really looking. I'm not sure where you messaged that either, but we got in at around 108.50, 108.60, so we're just holding that. Ruthless done for today. Caught that short scalp. Nice end to the week. Good stuff. Real cookies. Take Google. Good stuff. Digital. One. It's inside a new supply zone. Everyone can do the opposite by doing. Everyone can get rich by doing opposite of me. It goes immediately opposite of what I do. King Ranch, you need to also have a trading journal, my brother. Please have a trading journal. Every trade that you take, it's gonna take some time. I understand it's gonna be annoying, but every single trade that you take, I promise you, if you keep a trading journal and document the exact details of every single trade that you take, you can look back and then you'll be able to see, oh, wow, okay. All of these trades that I think are really, really good, they never work. Okay, why don't they work? And then you're able to look at it and dissect it and learn from it. Please, 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 please have a trading journal. Like, please. It's inside the new supply zone too. Got it. Thanks. Poor little like buying calls. 20 SMA and 200 EMA are all you need. My man, get us. I hope I'm pronouncing your name properly. Where's the webcam? The webcam's on YouTube. Thomas, the webcam is on YouTube. SB888, how many would you spring puts 1 month out at 434 today? No, I'm gonna wait. I would rather wait for around 436. Thank you from Divine for sharing the YouTube. I bought 432 calls at open at the lowest. Beautiful. The candlesticks being drug in one direction instead of going up or down. I think what you mean is the market's just consolidating side by side. Yeah, so this is called consolidation, a berserk. When the markets are just consolidating in a rectangle, right? When they're not doing anything and just consolidating, that's the word for it. It's called consolidation. Well, that's the term for it. The trader term. I hope that makes sense. I think that's what you were asking. SB, I hate Google, it screwed me. Damn. Vinny. Lil Mike just got long at the top. He's now breaking his keyboard. Damn, dude. Yeah, man. I mean, look, like this was just another clear-cut This was just another clear-cut example. Do not ever go long into levels of resistance in strength. You rather go long at support. And yeah, man, it's crazy. Playing around with people. They're playing with people. They're playing with people hard too much. You look at volume also, Hamid? Yeah, but it's not really a defining reason why I enter or exit anything. Digital, if you day trade options, what percentage gauge are you happy with as a target stop? With as target stop, or do you let it ride? So I always take some sort of profit at 10% gain, 10-15% gain. And then I don't let the rest that I'm holding go below 0 or below 5%. So I always try to remain in profit once a position is in profit. But if I'm really, really confident, I mean, I'll just sell, right? And then I'll re-enter. Not every trade is life and death, you know? You don't need to be right every single time. You don't need to be correct every single trade that you take. But it's the frequency of trades that you take that will be the defining reason of whether you're profitable or not. So if there's a setup that you've been monitoring and you're like, all right, 75% of the time doing this, like for example, right, this is a completely fake example, but okay, 75% of the time going long here works. If we go long here and it doesn't work, it is what it is. Like if it falls lower, I'm going to sell for a loss and then I'm going to go long again, because 75% of the time going long works. So if this if this doesn't work and we end up breaking lower, right? Then down here, the odds just jumped up from 75 to whatever, 80, 85, etc., etc. So does that make sense? Like, trading is just a numbers game. If you just tried to long here and it didn't work, and this is a fake example again, right? But if you just tried to long here and it didn't work, and there's another even better opportunity down here and you don't take it, then you end up like just missing out. Trading is a numbers game. You see, usually when we already down pre-market, don't we go back up? Not always. If we're down in the pre-market, we could fall lower, because look at it's not a guarantee that we'll it's not a guarantee that we'll just go up, but it is. So Michelle, I don't think she's here, but she always puts in the chat that there's like a 75 or 80% chance that the market has a gap fill. So when it you know, drops dramatically, right, overnight, when it drops dramatically, there's a high probability that we do bounce back up during the day to get a gap fill. So yeah, I mean, but it's not an automatic thing that it will just happen right at the open. So it's not a justification to just go like long. If we fall, for example, if we fell this morning, right, it's not an automatic reason to just go long at the open. You need to wait for the market to give structure and just wait. Gotta wait for a good opportunity. Hope that makes sense. Woody, Mikey, trading strategy, inverse Mikey. Yeah, honestly, you just inverse Mikey. That's all you have to do. Inverse Mikey. Yeah, mango. Yep. Isn't it a bear flag on the daily? The bear flag is too. It's too bearish. It's not a solid bear flag. It's like a dead. It's a dead limp bear flag. Any open positions currently? No. Do you have a video on your strat? No. Thank God I sold calls. When you start trading above 25k, it's amazing. UC, you don't need 25,000 to day trade. You can open up a cash account. So anyone that has less than 25k, you could still day trade. Oh, this is a. But yeah, whatever. Anyway, if you have less than 25k, you are able to day trade constantly throughout the day. So if you have a $1,000 account, you can take 10 $100 day trades every day using a cash account. You just need to sign up with a cash account. Robinhood is a margin account by default. So if you have a $1,000 account on Robinhood, then you're only allowed to take 3 to 5 day trades, whatever, 3 day trades per 5 business days. But if you open up a cash account, you can put $1,000 in it, you can put $500 in it, and you can take as many trades to fulfill your dollar value of the account per day. So you don't need 25k. That is a misconception. They don't want to tell you that because they make a lot more money on margin accounts. Piece of craps. So damn. Yeah, that was a really, really good long opportunity. This wick it basically stopped out a lot of people, and yeah, it is what it is. We missed that, but today was just pretty slow. The market is pretty just beaten down, choppy. It doesn't have that much follow through. We made money, we didn't lose any trades or anything, but this was 100% a really good long opportunity. And then there was a few other opportunities that we could have taken that yeah, I mean, I just wasn't really like, there's certain days to like put your foot down on the accelerator and just take huge trades and just constantly take trades, but today wasn't really one of those days so far. But in general, the levels that I'm watching for on the SPY, 430, 450. Hopefully we get 436, and then at that point I would go I would lean short. Basically, if we get close to 431, 430 area on the SPY, then I'm more bullish than I am bearish. If it starts consolidating here, it is risky to try to short. It's a much higher probability chance that we'll end up bouncing. But Muhammad, I just made 30% on that huge drop. Nice. Smiley, thanks for a great week, Hamid. Have a great weekend all. Take care. Have a good one, Smiley. Have a spectacular week, Smiley. It's gonna rip down, so get ready. Oh, I read that already. Thanks for a great week. Just bought calls at 46 cents. Do you share your setup playbook in your Discord? No. You are so inspiring, man. I'm like this. You and Cheryl, the good stuff, brother. Thank you, man. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. Appreciate you, my brother. It's, yeah, this is when you would start going long on the SPY, to be honest, and you would have a tight stop loss. It's risky to try to short on the first instance of consolidation after a big rip up from support. So it's a very low probability short to short here, even if it works. But yeah. Inside demand now, but it's weak. Cash account. Today's trade, you can have both accounts. I have a cash account with Robinhood support level used for day trading. Have you read Anna Cooling's volume book? No. What system do you use for day trading? I don't use a system. So yeah, see, like this was just another good opportunity to go long. You don't short over here on pops. You go long. But yeah, I mean, the market is doing exactly what it needs to do. It's not like this is nothing out of the norm. What's happening here? You know what I'm saying? It's doing what it needs to do. But yeah, honestly, like, we had a good week. There were some plays that we could have taken all throughout the stream here. Could have done a bunch of whatever extra trades and stuff, but we had a good week, man. We had a really good week. We made a lot of money. We didn't lose, so that's like the main thing. And yeah. cool. But yeah, guys, it's 11 o'clock. I kind of just want to call it a stream, to be honest. We had
another one.
Had some good plays, made some good money, and Joey, bro, Robinhood does not want us to know we can open up a cash ban on there, but we 100% can on there. Contact them if needed, but it's on there. Wow. Yeah. Robinhood robbed me a few times. Took a settlement to get my money back. Trade on a better, bro. Yeah, bro. I hope Robinhood gets bankrupt. After whoever is long on Hood, you guys profit. I hope it gets bankrupt, to be honest. But yeah, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the week. It's been really fun. It's been really fun doing all this. This is new. I streamed I think 2 days ago until 4 o'clock for the first time. It's pretty fun. And yeah, man, really fun week. Everyone on the TikTok, make sure you guys follow the page. I live stream completely free, live everything completely for free. If you guys are new to trading and you guys don't know where to begin, you guys can send me a DM on Instagram or on Discord, and I'll literally send you a bunch of stuff, books, courses, and everything completely for free. Aside from that, yeah, man, I did not want to miss today's stream, even though I honestly I've been having like no sleep. But thankfully it's been working out properly regardless. So this weekend, make sure everyone gets some rest. Make sure you guys eat well. Advice for myself first, and yeah, man, it's gonna be a good next week as well. So hopefully we have a good time. Yep. Love you guys so much, man. Have a good one. Keep on pushing. I love you, brother. Thank you, Fahad. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you. All right, take care. Have a good one. Thanks for the follow. Make sure you guys follow the page. All right, love you guys. Take care. Have a good one.